Hello, everybody. Today we're going to be doing our second health lesson, and we're doing illness prevention lesson 2. Remember, my screen always looks way different than your screen, so you see everything. My stuff is all just unpublished, waiting to get sent to you. But so you're going to see illness prevention lesson 2 today. So I'm going to open it up. Now you've already opened it up, and yours already looks different because yours has a step 1. Step 1 is to watch this video. Now I have not recorded the video, so I haven't put it on there yet. That's why you don't see step 1 on yours. But the first thing after you have the video up and going is we're going to be doing step 2. So step 2, open this Padlet and answer the question. Now remember, if it's running really, really slow, you can always hit the action button in the bottom right corner with the rectangle and the arrow and open in Safari. You can do either way. I'm just going to keep it on this. Sometimes when I switch over, it can mess up my video recording. So it's been starting to happen a little bit lately to me. So I'm just going to keep it in Schoology. So I'm going to look in the top left corner where it says make a prediction. Why do you think we sneeze? Right underneath it, it says write at least one prediction and why we sneeze. So you can already see I did 2. Remember, when you're doing a Padlet, the first step is always write your name, and then right underneath it, you write your thinking. So I've done 2. I said Mr. Johnson, if your nose tickles, and then Mr. Johnson, to get rid of germs. To do a post, in the bottom right corner, you hit the pink circle with a white plus sign. Then this pops up on the bottom, title. Title is where your name goes. Not my name, your name. So that way everyone can just get some ideas and thinking. And then underneath it, write something, type whatever you want. Why do you think we sneeze? So I'm just going to drop that and cancel. I'm not going to do another one just because I want you all to be able to do your own thinking. After you do your Padlet post, top left corner, hit the X. Now I go to step 2. Open this in Notability for notes. Health, colds, and flu. Open this up. You're going to see it's the PDF, so I'm going to send it off to Notability for our notes. At the bottom, it's going to give you a couple choices. You always hit Create New Note. Top right corner, hit Import. When you get it open, just like always, write your name, Mr. Johnson. Make sure to write your name, though. That way I can tell whose is whose when I'm looking through all of your great notes. So the topic is health, colds, and the flu. And I'm going to just underline a few things here and write a couple things down, like for the word determine. Determine means to figure out. And key details means most important facts. So these are some of our big reading kind of words, details, but or I should say just big reading for like fiction and nonfiction words. But so here's our goal. I can determine, which means figure out, key details about colds and the flu. So I'm going to read it one more time. You can read it with me. I can determine key details about colds and the flu. So determine means figure out. Key details means the most important facts. And so that's what we're going to be doing. We're getting some really important facts about colds and the flu. And it's going to be 2 parts today. One part's going to be video. And you're going to see the 2-column note taker is split into 2 columns. The first column is big ideas, and the other one is key details. Big ideas are just kind of helping you. Those are the parts we're going to be focusing on. Key details are where you're going to write all of your notes. And just so I don't forget to say it, remember, whenever you're doing note taking, you are not copying sentences. You're not copying exactly from anything. You're putting things in your own words. First, you can't just copy stuff. Second, when you put it in your own words, that means you truly understand it. So the first section is all about video notes. We'll be watching a video. The second part, which is actually 4 little parts, is from an article we're going to read. One is called Viruses Take Over Living Cells. The second is Flu Virus Can Last for 9 Hours. The third part is Viruses Do Poorly in Dry Places. The fourth is Wipes and Soap Help Break Up the Virus. So once we have this ready, and then also I just so I don't forget to say too, for each section, you're going to want to get at least 2 key details. Always at least 2. If you get more, awesome, but at least 2 for every section. Then we're going to go back into Schoology again. Leave that open in Notability. Back to Schoology. So I'm going to click the back arrow in the top left corner, hit the back arrow. Now I'm going to do step 4. Open this movie, watch and take notes. I'm not going to open that link. For some reason, the app that I'm using to video record all this, when I've been going to, you're going to see it's a YouTube video. Whenever I open up YouTube videos, when I'm trying to record, it always stops my video recorder. So you're just going to open that up. You're going to watch it, and then you're going to take notes. I'm going to give you one note example because I've watched the video a few times now already. So I'm just going to give you a note example, but I'm going to stop the video here so you can watch the video, and then we can compare notes. Have fun.